In today's job market, people don't just apply for jobs, they apply for brands. And in this video, we are diving deep into the employer branding. We are going to learn why it matters, how HR can build it, and how you can use AI tools to do it faster and smarter. Hello everyone, my name is Richa Sareen and welcome back to SkillDeck channel, your go-to space for practical HR strategies, tools and career growth tips. If you find value here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with your HR tribe and help us grow this learning community together. Now let's start today's video. I want to ask you guys, do your best candidate ghost you after the first round? Or worse, never apply at all? Well, it's probably not the GD, it's your employer brand. Your employer brand is how your company is perceived by the job seekers, employees, and the public. It's the story people tell about your workplace, even if you are not in the room. It is more about what it feels like to work at your company, your values, leadership, growth, culture, what Glassdoor, LinkedIn, and employees says about you. It's more than perks and ping pong tables. It's about trust, alignment, and value. HR teams are now the chief storytellers of the brand. Do you know 75% of the candidates research a company reputation before applying? A strong employer brand reduces hiring costs by around 50%. Companies with strong employer brands see 50% more qualified applicants. If your Glassdoor has 2 stars and no employee stories on LinkedIn, you are probably losing talent to your competitors, even if you pay better. The cost of bad branding meter keeps increasing. Traditionally, branding was marketing department job, but today, HR is the new CMO for talent. From first impression to last interaction, HR touches every stage of the employee journey, be it onboarding, exit, employee stories, engagement, events, everywhere HR is involved. Now, let me tell you how you can become CMO of employer branding or talent. As good branding takes time, but with AI, you can work smart, not just hard. Now let me tell you about the tool. The first tool you can use is HeyGen, video branding with AI avatars. Use it for creating employee story videos, welcome videos from HR, leadership messages, multi-language brand content. Just imagine creating personalized videos for onboarding without calling your CEO for other take. You will be really surprised to know the video you are watching right now is my AI avatar. I used HeyGen for this. Might be in another video I'll be creating a live video of how I have used HeyGen to create these videos. But yes, you can use these AI tools to create videos wherever it is required. Now let's talk about the second tool, Jasper. Use it for writing employee branding posts, employee testimonials, company culture descriptions, Glassdoor review replies. If you're struggling to write the perfect LinkedIn post, this tool is your copywriter on steroid. The next tools, you can use Canva, Magic Write for employee spotlight graphics. Get a hands-on on Canva. That's very important because whenever you need to create a festive campaign, festive posters, EVP posters, cultural visuals, Canva is required. Canva let you make your employee brand visual. Magic Write to generate the ideas when you are stuck. So use this tool for your EVP. The next tool, what you can use is Reclaim.ai. Use it for your HR campaign planning, content calendar, brainstorming internal campaign like Women's Day, Diwali, Wellness Week, whatever you want to do. So use this tool for that. Next on the list, we have HotSuite and Buffer with ChatGPT. Use it for scheduling employee branding posts, generating AI-backed captions, hashtags, monitoring your engagement. Yes, you can automate your employer brand strategy for the whole month in a single day if you know how to use these tools. What you have learned now, let's make this real. Here are 5 things you can start doing today powered by HR and AI. Employee of the Month Spotlight, use Canva, Jasper. Create a day in the life video with HeyGen. Generate weekly inspirational quotes from leadership using ChatGPT. Share exit stories, positive, respectful with copy.ai. Run anonymous culture feedback using Google Forms plus GPT analysis. Employee branding is not a one-time project. It's a living experience. As a HR, your role is to listen, create, and communicate that experience consistently. Align EVP with what employee actually feel. Be consistent across LinkedIn, Insta, Glassdoor. Celebrate your real stories, not stock images. Use AI, but keep the human emotion alive. If this helped you understand how to build your employer brand, hit the like button, subscribe to SkillDeck, and drop a comment if you want a free AI tool guide for HR. I'm Richa Sareen. See you in the next HR Masterclass.